Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove page numbers in your MS Word document. So friends, as we can see, we have a list of pages and every page has this number. So if you want to remove this page number, so very simple, just double click in heading area and click on this drop down, and here you will find option remove page number. So just click on it. So now close this header and footer. So now we can see no page number in this MS Word document. If you want to add again, so click on insert and page number, select area where you want to add, select style of your page number. That's it. So again we have the page number in this bottom side, and you can add top size and you can remove page number. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.